After the Titanic tour, kasama sa ticket namin ang entry pass sa SS Nomadic. Ito ang sister ship ng Titanic na nag-transfer ng passengers, mails at ibang mga supplies from the shore going to Titanic. By the way, mayroon din nga palang hotel ang Titanic just in case you want to book a room reservation in the future. The SS Nomadic is just in front of the main entrance of the Titanic Belfast. It is 5 to 10 minutes walk away from the main entrance. Ito ang last itinerary namin for today dahil after this, magta-travel na kami pabalik ng Shannon.
Surviving White Star.
Little sister, Titanic's little sister. May kapatid pala si Titanic.
So siya yung maliit, yung anak.
Sabi sister, hindi anak, kaloka. At the entrance, hahanapin din ulit nila yung ticket mo, kaya dapat ready ka lang na ipakita.
Welcome aboard!
Dahil kailangan namin mag-CR, yun agad ang hinanap namin. Pero syempre, nag-photoshoot muna kami bago mag-CR.
Washroom. Pati yung washroom nila makaluma din. Kakatawa. Kakatawa o pati yung mga flash. Old style.
Right after ng aming break, dire-diretso na kami mag-tour sa museum. Ang SS Nomadic ay kinonvert into museum sa Belfast noong taong 2018. Pero nag-provide siya ng service from 1911 to 1968. Hindi lang mga luggages ng mga passengers at mga listahan ng mga sikat na passengers ang makikita natin sa exhibits na ito. Makikita din natin yung iba't ibang mga packages or mga military equipments na nandito sa loob dahil ginamit din sa service ang SS Nomadic during World War I and World War II.
Oh, this is how they do it. Go out from here. This way for. Oh. So, this is their room.
Is that room?
Yeah.
Did they change it? Is that conference room?
Did we go here? No entry.
Hello. Gentlemen for staff only. Please, take a seat. We will serve you at the table. Offer to staff. Okay. You can share my tea.
The bottom was so cool. It was so nice there.
Hindi kami masyadong nagtagal sa museum. Siguro inabot lang kami ng mga 10 to 20 minutes and then lumabas na rin kami. Ito talaga ang main entrance ng Titanic Belfast. Pero since galing kami sa basement dahil nagpark kami ng sasakyan, hindi namin napansin na meron pala ditong Titanic cutout letters. Kailangan namin bumalik sa loob para puntahan naming sasakyan sa basement. And we are now ready to go home to Shannon. Thank you for watching!